This is how to make an Oreo out of play-doh. So first you're going to need your white play-doh, obviously, for the thing inside of it. This is, and plus, I need to say something. This is probably going to be a shorter than normal episode because Oreos are really easy to make. But if we actually want to make the logo Oreo thingy, you are going to need a pencil so you can carve it out. Okay. You will also need black Play-Doh. You get your black Play-Doh out. You can make this on a bed because if not, it's gonna stick bug onto it. Okay, so you will need to flatten this out. Flatten this out. Then do a circle with your pencil, or make a circle. Like so. Then you'll try at least to write Oreo. Kind of like this, but better. Then next step, you'll need to grab your white Play-Doh. So this is where the white Play-Doh thing starts to come in handy. When the white Play-Doh starts to come in handy. So you will get your white Play-Doh. Flatten it out like you did to the Oreo. Then you'll put it onto it like this. Then do the same thing that you did for the first cover for the Oreo. Flatten the black Play-Doh. While I was watching Pokemon Journeys on Netflix, I was like, you know what? It might be a good idea to do how to make an Oreo out of Play-Doh. So then I made it. So you have to do it like this, okay? Then you will put it onto this, and then it will look something like this. Then you are done. You are finished. And yeah, so that's how to make an Oreo out of Play-Doh. And I don't stick these together because I don't want to get my Play-Doh mixed up. And plus, I don't keep my Play-Doh creations like other YouTubers because if not, it's going to be wasting the Play-Doh. So yeah, so those are all the things that's how to make the Oreo with Play-Doh. Bye.